Hi everybody. So there have been some questions about using Microsoft Office 365 and OneDrive in order to embed PowerPoints on your portfolio websites. What I'm going to show you is a method to get the embed code for that presentation and actually insert it into the HTML of your website so that it displays natively in the web browser without any sign-in or anything like that through a personal OneDrive account. So that's the key here. You have to have a personal OneDrive account. You can't use a school or institution account. So I'm going to sign in with my Gmail account. And this is my Microsoft account that's just through my software package that I have on my computer. Once I'm signed in, the first thing that I'll do is go up to Upload, then I'll hit Files, then under Files I will maneuver to where I have that file stored. Once I upload that file, which is called example PowerPoint here, what I'm going to do is select it. So I'm going to click the little arrow in the top right hand corner and then go up to our top toolbar and we have Embed. Once I hit Embed, I'm going to hit Generate, and that's going to generate an embed code that I can copy and then paste into the embed code area or HTML of my website. For example, I have a dummy Weebly page made here, and all I would do is drag the embed code tool into that area. I would click to enter custom HTML, paste it, and then click outside. And once I click outside, the PowerPoint is going to auto-populate in there. One thing that I like to do is just adjust the dimensions of the actual PowerPoint, make it a little bit bigger. To do that, you would just click Edit Custom HTML, and then you would bump these numbers up. Okay. Now, what I'm going to do is hit publish, and then you can see how this page displays natively. So on this page, if I scroll down, you'll see that my PowerPoint plays right here in the window. I don't need any sign in or anything like that with this personal OneDrive upload method.